The Fiji Institute of Bankers Council and Management Committee, and excuse me because I'd like to go through all the names. These are the hardworking people, as you heard from the President, who have graciously given their time and their efforts in organizing these mornings get together. So please bear with me. First, the country head, Bank of the South Pacific, Mr. Harun Ali. The Chief Executive Officer, the Bank of Baroda, Mr. Sudansu Kamari. The Acting Chief Executive Officer of the Fiji Development Bank, Mr. Mohammed Hussein. The Area Manager East Corporate and Business Banking, Mr. Eugene Williams. The Committee Secretary, Ms. Marada Sendondoa. The Management Committee, the Chairperson, Ms. Swastika Devi. The Bank of Baroda representative, Mr. Ret'd Prasad. The Bank of South Pacific representative, Mr. Leitia Tuinamwala. The Bread Bank representative, Mr. Penny Wainingolo. Home Finance Company Bank representative, Ms. Sharan Devi. Fiji Development Bank representative, Ms. Niraj Dutt. The Reserve Bank of Fiji representative, Mr. Asisela Volavola. The West Bank Corporation representative, Ms. Margaret Savo. Ladies and gentlemen, our special guests for the day, the boys and girls who are here with us. I'll be addressing you later on. I've just been told that we have the lads, the boys from Montfort Boys Town as well. Nisambul Vanaka Namaste, Waimori, Assalamu Alaikum, and a very good morning to you all. It's still morning, 15 more minutes ago. And I'm glad to see that you managed to put things together because I was just about to come when I was asked to hold on for a while you rearranged the venue because of the strong winds and the rain that came down not too long ago. Now, to the host of today's KANAVATA, the Fiji Institute of Bankers, I would like to acknowledge and thank you most sincerely for kindly inviting me to this joyous occasion to break bread with you, to eat with you, with our children, and to celebrate with them our beloved nation's 50th independence anniversary. Thank you, sir, and your team. Now, as your President and Head of State, may I also take this opportunity to commend Mr. Minam, President of the Institute of Bankers, and your colleagues, your hardworking colleagues, whose names I've mentioned, and there's some more behind the scenes who made it happen. From the other banking institutions in Fiji, and Sabina Valeu, Dhanyavad, and thank you most sincerely for kindly thinking of these young children who are less fortunate than their contemporaries in our society. I understand that these children are from the Dilkusha home, the Chevalier Boys Home, the Gospel School for the Deaf, and Montfort Boys Town. Excuse me if I missed out anybody here. And without any doubt, today is their day to join in with the nationwide mood and spirit of happiness and merrymaking as we commemorate and celebrate 50 years of independence. For those of you who were here about a week ago, the whole of this area is just a sea of blue. And we thank the Lord because, we were blessed with fine weather last week. 7 days later, the heavens opened and the showers came down. Showers of blessings, no doubt. And we thank the Almighty for that. And on that note, I'd like to thank Penny Winigolo, Kemini, Nawaleuna Namasu. I was listening to your prayers. And it's always good to start things off by acknowledging the Almighty, who's been so merciful, so loving and caring. Nawaleuna. Now, today is a very important one for our young ones who are here, because it will remind them, no doubt, that they are not forgotten. They belong to a nation that cares for everyone. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, now, today is in line with my primary responsibility as the pillar for national unity. For you children, that's my responsibility as the president. My job is to try and unite the nation. And this is in line with my promise to the chiefs and the people of Livuka. About 2 weeks ago, when we began the nationwide celebrations, when I promised them on behalf of government, and this is in line with government's stance too, that this nation should care for everyone. No one and no community should be left behind while the rest of the nation celebrates. So I've been looking forward to today. Mr. Minam, sir, for your information, today is my Sabbath. Normally I'll be attending church with my family, but I made an exception. I don't normally attend to functions on my Sabbath, but when I received the invitation, I saw what the function is about, and I gladly accepted it to be with you, particularly with you children. And in this regard, on behalf of government and all Fijians, I congratulate and thank the institution of bankers once again for being so kind and generous. Sir, thank you very much indeed. I can smell the food, and I can see the goodies. You children are very lucky, you're very fortunate. You have people who care for you like the rest of us. And this is an ideal opportunity to give a special treat to you, our children who are going to be our parents and in some cases leaders of our beloved nation in the not too distant future. Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, in 25 years' time from now, Fiji will be celebrating its Diamond Jubilee. And I'm certain that most of you will remember today with appreciation and gratitude too that the bankers decided to get us together and celebrate. Now, the events of these past weeks and days have shown our families and friends, both locally and internationally, that despite the challenges and detrimental, traumatic impact of COVID-19 pandemic, you heard that from Mr. Minam, we are Fiji, and nothing is going to dampen our spirits. For we are confident that with Almighty God's guidance and blessings, we are going to embrace the future together. Remember that? We are going to embrace the future together with confidence and determination that our beloved nation's future is going to be very promising indeed. On that note, I wish you, our young ones, well. May God bless you. Let's thank the organizers once again. Dhanyavad, thank you. And may God bless our beloved nation and all of us. Have a good day.